Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we will see how Bank Nifty performed, and we also see what can be the opportunity tomorrow, as tomorrow is a weekly expiry. So before starting, uh, as you know that we decided that if you see today market opened flat. It opened flat here at around 39,500, 600 levels. And yesterday we decided that if it crosses this level 39,400, we will enter into put option. Even though it did made a 15 minutes breakout here, but it did not cross this level. It did not. I anticipated that it may come down like this another 200, 300 points, but it did not happen that way. Market from here took a V-shaped recovery, and it almost went to 39,700 levels. So we also decided yesterday, if since this was a resistance, since we decided that this was a resistance multiple times it hit yesterday, we decided that only when if there is a bullish candle here uh, on this trend line, we'll go and sit into a call option. But that did not happen. This level acted as a perfect resistance. If you see here, we did draw this trend line yesterday, and the market respected this level. So whenever it reached this level 39,750 levels, it got rejected multiple times. Even though even though Bank Nifty was not that weak, it was all sideways today compared to Nifty. But today there might be a good chance of a trending market, because if you see here, this was a sideways market, and this was also a volatile market. And even if you see this, even this was a sideways market. So last 3 days they were sideways market. So you can clearly uh, maybe see if you can find a trending day tomorrow, since it is an expiry. So what we can do, I'll this still exists a trend line. This trend line still be valid if in case market opens flat here at this round, and we'll spend some time here, maybe couple of hours, and if it tries to break this level, then we can enter into a call option. I think this level is around 39,600, 650 levels. If it makes any bullish candle here, uh, we can definitely enter into a call option once it breaks this trend line. If market opens flat and crosses this level, 39,300, 350 levels, and making a 15 minutes candle, negative candle here, I think we can definitely sit into a put option, and we can wait for another 300, 400 points. I think nearly 39,000 levels. We can see another 200 points here till 39 200, 39 100 levels. But for that, market has to be in range for some time. If it opens flat here and till 2 3 hours, if it remains in this range, then it will be great trending day, uh, just like the previous Thursday. If it crosses this level, we can sit into put option, or if it crosses this level, we can be in a call option there. So that is the plan for tomorrow. So let it open flat, or if it opens gap down, we'll wait for a price action. If it opens gap up, then we'll see if this level is broken comfortably. So any flat, if it opens, then we'll enter into call option. If it opens flat and closes this in a downward, we'll enter into put option. But before that, it has to make some range, at least for a couple of hours. So that is a plan, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. So I'll come up with a new video tomorrow. Till then, see you. Bye.